Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us know about Engineers Day. Do you know why we celebrate Engineers Day every year on September 15th in India? Can you imagine a world without cars, aeroplanes, gadgets, internet, smartphones, skyscrapers, or life-saving dams? Hard to imagine, right? Behind every innovation stands a brilliant mind who we call an engineer. Today, we dive into the world of creators, problem solvers, and visionaries as we celebrate Engineers Day in India. Let's explore how these unsung heroes are shaping our future. Every nation needs problem solvers, innovators, and visionaries to drive progress. In India, we dedicate a day to celebrate these brilliant minds, our engineers. Welcome to our special video on Engineers Day in India, a day that honors the relentless efforts and contributions of engineers to our society. Engineers Day in India is celebrated every year on September 15th in honor of one of the most revered engineers, Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Born in 1861, Sir Visvesvaraya was an eminent engineer, scholar, and statesman, whose work in the field of engineering set new standards. Sir Visvesvaraya is best known for his pioneering work in irrigation techniques and flood control. His contributions include the construction of the Krishna Raja Sagara Dam in Karnataka, which transformed the region's agriculture and economy. His dedication to engineering and nation building earned him the title of Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1955. Engineers play a critical role in shaping modern India. From building infrastructure that supports millions to innovating in technology and communication, their contributions are the backbone of our progress. Today, India's engineers are at the forefront of global technological advancements, contributing to fields like information technology, space exploration, and renewable energy. The diversity in engineering disciplines, civil, mechanical, electrical, computer science, and many others, reflects the diverse needs of our growing nation. Engineers Day is not just a day of recognition but also a day of inspiration. Schools, colleges, and organizations across India celebrate by organizing seminars, workshops, and exhibitions to encourage the next generation of engineers. These celebrations emphasize the importance of engineering in nation building and inspire young minds to take up the challenge of solving tomorrow's problems. As we look to the future, the role of engineers in India will only grow. With advancements in AI, robotics, and sustainable technologies, engineers will be at the helm of creating a more efficient, sustainable, and technologically advanced India. The future holds endless possibilities, and with the innovative spirit of Indian engineers, we are on the path to achieving greatness. On this Engineers Day, let's take a moment to thank the countless engineers whose work often goes unnoticed but whose impact is felt every day. Happy Engineers Day to all the brilliant minds who are building our future. That's all for this video. Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed this video, for more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's celebrate the spirit of engineering together.